Brakes. All right, y'all, got 6S in here. And y'all see my tire, I got some glue on there. So this Jambo is just, hopefully I won't blow the tires off the wheel. It may just be me, but I love the way particular off-road tires sound on road. I love the way they grip and this noise. Listen, that gripping noise, I love that. So that's why in some of my videos I get out and I do this. Tires holding up pretty good. I didn't let the glue really dry. There's a lot of excess glue on there. That's why you see that white around it. Look like it needs some lotion on that tire. A little ashy on that end, but it's all good. It's ashy on the ankles. I want to see, I probably shouldn't try it, but I want to try a double backflip. I know I can probably do it with 6S. Get up a little bit more speed, get a little bit more air. Well, we gotta land it though, that's the thing. I wanna do it and land it, not just do it and say I did it. I wanna do it and land it, so we'll try it again. Trying to get the, get it up in the air and do it and then press the brakes. And also try not to break nothing while I'm doing it. If anything, my body would be a little bit damaged, but I'd rather have body damage than anything else. If I don't end up blowing tires doing it. Yeah. And I might have come unplugged because I got XT90 to EC5 connectors on here. And I thought I had actually, yep, I can see the battery sticking out right there. I thought it actually made that where that could fit up in there. So let me get this plug back up and we're just gonna do a little bit of running. This thing is a Willy monster. Even with these smaller tires on it. I hope Team Karate makes a 5th scale car or a 5th scale truck. I think they should actually do a Skeeter. I think if they do something, or do something just different, but design it kind of like you did the Skeeter, give it a different body, make it big, supersize it, I think it'll be good to go. So if they do something like that, it'll be good to go. Do that and then do like a on-road car and then they'll be good to go. So, cause you know, definitely, they definitely can do it. This guy's talking about, so let me try it one time and all that. There we go. So we need an on-road, we need a 5th scale, and we're good. I mentioned before, this has got plenty of power on 4S. I think if you put a 15-2 pinion gear up in here, you are good to go. All right, let me see if I can get this. Oh, and I might have overheated. That's one thing about this. Sometimes you do overheat, and that's stock gearing and smaller tires. I don't have my temp gun or anything with me, but I can do a finger test. Yeah, that motor's pretty hot. That motor's real hot, so I'm not gonna even try to drive it anymore. I'm gonna let it cool off some, but what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get some Speed Tech fans for this and for some of my other cars, and then get this back out and run. So that was about 6 minutes of running into it before it thermal and heat down. Now you can adjust the speed controller to where I think it's on setting 2, where at a certain temperature, it's actually at a lower temperature that goes into thermal, and then there's another one that does it a little bit lower, but I'm gonna leave it stock out the box. But anyway, guys, put your comments down below. I'll be getting some fans put on there and heat sink stuff when we'll get this back out and get this running, probably at the BMX track or something like that soon. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos. Thanks for watching.